Hello. Welcome on in. Good day. Hello, Ray. Congrats on the first. We're doing some more game dev today. Oh god, that's loud. Here we go. Guys couldn't hear that, thankfully. Very loud because it's my normal thing. Feet cam, and you're just waiting. You're just waiting for it, weren't you? And hello, Mr. Carrot on the YouTube side. Welcome on in. Maybe you're having a good day. Doing more Yui. More Yui. What I've been waiting for. Praise the feet. Praise feet. Am I gonna have to get a praise feet emoji? Praise feet. God, I went through like my overlay trying to fix some things. For some reason I still can't get the mouth tracking to work. The mouth tracking works fine in VC face, and then like sending it over to here. Something when it gets into I just saw it. Sitting there on my cockroach sitting there on my curtains. Glad I caught that now rather than 4 a.m. like last night. There was a cockroach did get on me. The April Fool. I guess I am a bit of a fool right now. I'm a bit of a, I've got the gist of hat. I'm a fool. I'm a slimy fool. Hello, Salem. Welcome on in. Maybe you're having a good day too. We're doing some more things. There's the Gooby. I just wanted to have the Gooby in the background for whatever reason. We're doing more of this. What was it? I got distracted by the cockroach. There's a few things I want to do. I want to make more use of this giant block, so I'm gonna change the directory of where you're not gonna go in through that hole. I'm gonna cover that hole up, and I'm gonna put the hole on this side and have you go in through another compartment in here, and that'll just slowly build your way up the tower, rather than it just being purely the one space. That just means I need to actually, come up with more stuff to put in. Oh, I forgot to turn my Sammy on, that's why I'm not hearing things. Attack on Gooby. Gooby can just... Are they really attacking? I don't think they're attacking us, so Gooby can stay there until they decide to become hostile. We have no qualms with Gooby. Yeah, so let's build more space. We're just thinking about how big we want these to be. That should be good. Okay, so we'll be coming in from that side. Covering this up. I still don't want to make a big giant structure that's just entirely for the top part. I wanted to actually have, functionality going into it. I think you could get, you can't possibly get up to there from here. Be fine. That's that one thing, and we want to add the doorway here. It doesn't matter where. We'll just cover this up for now. Doesn't matter where the hole is on this thing. We'll put it here anyway. We'll just here for now, but no matter where. Is it too thick? All the way around? Too thick? Too thick. One's just one thick, isn't it? I don't know how thick it is. Whatever. We're gonna... There's a few things. There's one specific thing that was requested by Deadsun, which was using the bonk for bowling. So we're gonna do bowling as one of the things that we need to do. Accept on that, so we can. We want to We change this to be 5 numpad down. Numpad lock thing is on. 30 maybe? Let's see if that's far enough to get us to where we want to go. That's not quite. So 35 at 6,000. For that. Wow. Be okay, but we're gonna try and hit the lower section so we can work our way up the tower. So that's more. I guess maybe just do 30 at 6,000. Bah!
I am Murray, the all-powerful demonic skull.
Even finding the right. That across we go. And we don't actually know where the hole should be. Just smart like that. A little bit more over here. And we go like that. Bam. I think perspective wise should be good. Be able to jump into it from there. And only from over here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we got to come up with the 3 things that we need to do in here. I don't think bowling will be in here. I want to have a little bit more space for bowling. Need to think a bit more how to do it, but yeah. We did one. So take a look. We did one stage. I guess these ones are supposed to be more puzzle-like. I get, or you can't really fail and die and be set back a lot. So like, once you get into here, you're pretty safe for a while. But yeah, you'll get to. Yeah, I might just do one now that I've doing 6 layers of. Basically 6 layers. Probably be doing 2 layers of this puzzle. We'll see. See how I feel about that. I'm still not doing this one on stream though, because it's a puzzle. So like the difference between doing a puzzle is like, you know, there's reference for it. I know not everyone's gonna be playing the game that's watching right now, but you know, I want to develop those things off stream. We go in through there, and we're trying to go up. So, thinking about this, so we're going. Say we're going up this way, and then going across to this way. We need a whole wrong direction. That way. Add like a balcony here. You couldn't get to here from there. Be good. Balcony there. Balcony is gonna send you upwards, I guess. Gonna try and go upwards. Can you stop doing that? Going the absolute opposite way. I need you to go. Just hold that back and say that we're do it like this. Do it like that. Can we just naturally jump up there now? Oh, almost. But I'm hating the camera thing. The camera doing that. It's like probing way too harshly. And look into that. You can just get up there from there. I'll just say this is like imagine this is like a broken This is a broken away balcony. You get up to it from down below, get into the next stage, and then you realize, oh, you're actually one layer off, and you have to redo this whole thing. It's there, not anywhere else, but there. Isn't that amazing? Oh, back, way. Are we gonna see a Feet 2.0 array? Will that be a thing? Feet model. Oh, why is there collision there? What's it's got 2 outputs? Somehow get like a weird collision thing again. You're wearing a hat. Yeah, well, I'm wearing the Jester hat at the moment. I got a selection of hats. I got a big selection of different hats here. Oh, let me just bet. These are all the hats I've got. I could make more, but I've been I guess game deving more than thing deving, vtuber deving. I guess on yeah. How do you do that? I press H key because I set up a UI of all the different hats that I have. I took screenshots of every little hat and then put it into a UI. How do you make the hat selection? It's in UE. I just have to change the model. So yeah, what you see in seeing is all in Unreal Engine. So yeah, because like if I do the zoom out, yeah, this is all Unreal Engine VTubing. And yeah, it allows me to do all this fancy stuff. There's the Twiworks plugin. Twiworks is a plugin that like reads chat and can like read redeems, but it only works for the Twitch side of thing, not for the YouTube side of things. So, well, I don't know how it works for YouTube. Maybe there's a way for me to be able to read chat and be able to do some redeems from the YouTube side. I have a friend. Well, I have a friend. Deadsun, the game who we're making on, who's made who's customized their setting to actually work with Kick's API and their chat, where they created a separate system where you can get reward points on there, or you get channel points on Kick, and then like you can use those channel points to you know, do the things you would do on Twitch. I don't know how to do that with YouTube myself, and yeah. But yeah, it allows you to change hats on the Twitch side and do a whole bunch of other different redeems. Yeah, I guess yeah, you haven't seen a lot of them. Yeah, that's why sometimes I dance, and sometimes I get like my hat changed. Sometimes I get a side rate where it's raining on me, or like there's all the different things where I get yeeted. I forgot to turn off transform. I can't be bothered turning it off. That's why I sometimes get pummeled by like a bunch of objects, like so. Yeah, Unreal Engine VTubing is fun. It's got a lot of extra stuff you can do. I mean, the world's your oyster if you know how to use Unreal Engine, which most I have knowledge in Unreal Engine, but perfect professional in it, but I know my thing or two. I can make games, and a nice skill for, I guess, this. Once you go, good example of me. Once you go up or down. Wait, what? It's because it wasn't in the center of the. Yeah, I don't know. Weird things. Okay, so we don't need a hole over here because we're creating what's over here now. You can remember how big the door is. How big is the door? The 3 by 1, 2, 3, 5. The edges. Bonk. Okay. Across there. And up one more, I think. No, that's wrong. It's wrong, actually. I need to go one over that way, and then I need to go one over that way. One up that way. Do the same. Exactly the same. 5. Get the mini. Perfect, but as long as it looks the same, roughly. Crazy that it broken. Actually, I'm gonna make it look like there's some damage on this one as well, so it looks damaged, and not all of it's just about, you know, not everything's identical. I might just put a small jutting out there. But the further you are up a bit, that's where the damage is. Okay. Is that on the... Have I planned that anyway? No. Surely you're gonna be there. Yeah. I think I've positioned that wrong, but... Yes. Okay. Have a space here. Cut it in half. We have to cut it in half. What do we want to do here? What puzzles do we have to work with? We've got the movable cubes. What do we do with movable cubes in here? Get something like a staircase. This isn't symmetrical, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only do one side. Down. We want that to go down to here. Go corner mode. Much of it. Much. Oh, why am I inside the thing? Why would you put me inside it? Nasty. We just go up that? No. Okay. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. This. Rid of it. And what we'll do? Go out and go down from here. Ooh. A lot of it doesn't make sense when you're when I'm just using simple geometry like this and whatnot, making these cube grids. But trust me, in my head it makes sense. Like, I have a vision for what I want here. I'm just trying to block it out. If I know what I want, I'm just final thing. Right, that one. Back. Cross one. Select all the way to there. Corner mode again. Down. There we go. Oh, I didn't actually check to see if I could. Bruh. There you go. I'm gonna create the pathway to get up before we create the puzzle, I guess. I'm gonna try and create some sort of block pushing puzzle. This will be less of a block pushing puzzle and more of a I don't think of the word. This will block pushing more of just doing a thing in a puzzle. I'm trying to use the word puzzle more accurately than this because it's just something you have to solve, sure, like, but it's not like a grand solution where, you know, you have to do a sequence, a password puzzle. Just move the entirety of the entire thing again. 100% did. No, it's gonna. Oh, okay, that's an issue with it, for sure. It's Control Z'd the cube thing that I've done, but it didn't Control Z this movement. This has been Control Z'd rather than the thing that I actually wanted to Control Z. A little annoying that it does that. Don't know why, but it does.
Could you pick me up so I can bite you?
Will not. Will not bite me. Okay. Pushed that way. Dropping. Just see how that falls. Bonk. Bonk. It drops. You can move it. There we can move it. Did that drop like perfectly? It can't even drop perfectly. 900 down. Need a calculator. We need to go 12, 800 minus. Right, we've got it on the grid, so it's minus 1200. I forgot that we have it on the grid, so it's actually pretty to do that one. So minus 100. Drop it and hang it. Go 1500. Smashes of 400. Bonk. Bonk. That isn't right. Why was that not right? At 1280 now. Down will be at 60 died. I actually have to math this. 11600. It's 1200. I did 900. The size of the cube as well. Right, yes. Size of the cube. I guess I. And I thought it just off reason, didn't know why. Bonk. 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 As it goes there. See where it visually looks like it's onto. It's not physically, it's not a physics-based thing, it's a purely set up to be moved this far. Bonk. 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 That's not far enough, is it? We're off by 2. Really as far as it will go. It's not even on most, I guess because it's weird. 1.5 movement. Cube. Go up just, yeah. Actually, let you put it as far as you want. I'll add this, the buffer kind of idea. Just go through. And we want to 100. That means I need 6 bonks if you're gonna bonk it. It moves, it drops way too quickly, but almost comical. Bonk. 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 So another what? 100. The increments we go to testing. I guess I could just look at the grid and see just how much only your units are actually needed to be moved. It's not going the full distance. Dropping down too early. 400. The smash. Yeah, it's not going all the way to the edge. Not ideal. Not a game changer. To find the fine-tuned point of. Let's do. Okay, that's. Gucci. You don't want to let them push it too far, otherwise it won't be able to knock it back and it'll be stuck. Can't have that. Okay. 1. Put this one here. Put it down. Just to add a general. I don't know how to make it go back further from there though. No, I guess gotta add one more browse to asset. One more variable. Min movable. I have got them in. I've got them in movable. Okay, so I can go back 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back 5. So you go negative 500 once it's being converted. But actually, I guess I already sorted my own problem out before I even realized that way. Okay, this could be a problem, not being able to get behind. Wanted to add one more block. Could soft lock yourself if you're not careful. Why is that so much higher up than that one? House to asset. Is it higher up? Knock it down. Bam. Oh, get off that grid. You don't need that right now. Bam. Save. Good. Gotta add two. More than two. 4,500? 4,000? How much is the height of this one? How far this one goes to 4,000? But already back one, so 4,000. About, you know, cube grid. The idea is we'll be going here up to here. Right. Damn. Almost slightly off by one block. Have to move everything up by one, including this. Yeah. Cut that off by 100. Get up 800. Doom, 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 doom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Look at these blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Room to make it like a. Think of this like a. This will be the stage, and there'll be like a. There's gonna be a what's we call it, throne. Be like a throne room, because it's gonna be like a castle. That's the idea of this section. I want to move this over the other side. Why they do blocks of things in these places, I don't know. It just is. You need to move it. If we can make a chunk out of the well, if we take a chunk out of the thing, it goes into the next thing. Yeah. Big blocks of here are here for reasons. Unsure. Who gets to think about those sorts of things? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back 500. Oh, not that far, thank you very much. And max 500 now, right? Yes. This is based off of the relative location, not where the actor is. Back. Did I do it in 500s? I don't think I did it in 500s. Yeah. Good. Play. Bonk. As you go. Bonk. 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 Is that cube just off? I think the cube is off the grid. Why doesn't it go to the full grid? Why? No issues with it. I guess maybe there's just play in the timing. Perfect. We want it to be. Use that. Get up to here. Knock this one down. Okay, I guess the cubes were. Maybe the cubes were in the top, being stored above for some reason. I need to get this on a better. Like, look how it's just like off by a little bit. I don't know why it's off by a little bit. But how far up does it have to go? At 1400. Needs to go out 600. It is. I think it's just going out. We did it to 600. Oh, bonk. I'm too far. Yeah, a little bit off. If you do 580 is maximum. That works. Now that it's down here. How does that one goes all the way, so go back one on this one. That's gonna be fine. Goes to there, cool. Honk. For testing, I should just add like a button that goes the full direction, distance. Wait. One more. It can go out one more, I guess. Lands there. Goes back. Okay. Cool. And it won't go back any further. Cool. It's I'm gonna drag out both sides by one more square. Bonk. 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 And it will not go any further. Cool. Right, both sides. One more layer outwards. Ever-growing urge to play RuneScape when I listen to the music. Deadsun's worst enemy in this game, stairs. You just have to keep jumping up. Yeah. Can you do that from here? Cool. Drops down. Cool. Knock it back just to check. Bonk. Bonk. Bonku. 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 I guess it doesn't matter where each one is. We'll reach it from here. What? Shouldn't be able to. I think you do need the 2 cubes. Let's see if you do need the 2 cubes. I shouldn't be able to get to that one. Okay, I can. Not much of a puzzle if you can just do it with 1 cube, isn't it? What's the solution? Maybe just drag this up a little bit higher. You have to use the 2 cubes. Oh, not from the... Ah! A little bit closer that way. He's then hopping between the 2 things. Play from here. Bonk. Bonky. Go one more. Block off the exit. Can't make it just with the one. We still could. Oh, I wanted to add 3 more cubes. It would have just made it even more superfluous. Can't get to it from 1 cube, so you need 2 cubes. Maybe I keep this one higher up. So you have to use this second cube, which is on a higher level. How did I miss that supremely? Because it's off center for. It's weird. I don't get the thing going off center like that all the time. Like I've selected the cube grid, and it's like the only grid I've been working for, yet I have to still reset the grid. The one weird thing about the cube grid, I understand right now. Just about this thematically. Reason why this is here is because this part has fallen in. Part of the ceiling above, and it's fallen down. And there's a reason why it's there. But that one's just gone. Anyway. Think about the fact that this still has to have this part for going this far, but this needs to go up a little bit more as well. I want you to still be able to require you to use the cube to get to it though. You can get it without the cube. No. Still need to use the cube. I don't think you can get up to there. Well, yeah, okay, he's still gonna require the cube, I think. Bonk. 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 It's the problem with having glide. Sometimes glide adds an extra level of scaling that you have to account for when designing. We could let's say add just a big giant wall there, but solves the problem. Doesn't feel right. Kind of points out what the one solution. I would like them to try to do it with 1 cube. I don't want them to think it's the only way to do it. Oh, not that. What's the wording? I want them to think that it requires a cube, but still try to do it the wrong way because they think there's a chance. You know? And yeah. The height. Drop down. Drop down to -200. Damn. Bonk. Oh, they're not going. We'll get rid of that extra line here. Bonk. 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 Gucci. Bonk. 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 This one should be in place no matter where you put it. To do that. There. Which wouldn't be any way to solve it now with just one cube. Here we go. Yeah, I think you can get up there with. Okay, wait. Let me just check. Watch this be the one. Break it. Yeah, that breaks it. The glide, man, the glide. The glide breaking all the puzzles because of the height. I block that off. I think I do just have to block it off with a giant corridor. I didn't want to do it, but that solved the issue. Would they be able to get? Can you be on the? Why are you doing this to me? Come on, be nice. Be nice to this. Why are you not? What's going on here? There's nothing there. Why are you being weird? Why can't you just be normal? I didn't want this to be the way to, like... Maybe we'll just add, like, pockets of, hope. Bam. And jump that. You can't get on top of these, can you? No. Bonk. Bonk. Oh, damn you, stupid glide. Glide, you're ruining it for everyone. Let's just have to add something in the way. How do I do that without it being super obvious what I'm doing? Not what I wanted to do, but we're forced to do. Into there. Imagine adding. See, this is where it would have been easier to give all the abilities at the start and design all the levels based off of the abilities you have, rather than now that you've got the glide, you've got to think about just every such way. Can't do it like that. That's a thing, but now you need to do it with the actual thing. Now there is really just one solution. Not like, can I do it with this one? Yeah, okay. They shouldn't be able to do it. They've got to use this cube to get up. Get onto this one and then... Too bad. Too sad. We can't actually get onto the... Well, that one will already be over there, so you'll probably jump over it from there anyway. Well, a little bit more. There we go. I don't think that's solvable with just something now. Not just... It's almost like you can actually, though. It's kind of annoying. Oh. Oh. I guess once you're already here, it doesn't specifically matter because you've... Okay, not quite. What if you did a jump at the end, the glide? Missed it. Um, I still don't think you can do it with just this block. I think we'll call it there for that one, and we should be able. Okay. Now we can't add anything that can latch onto on this entire area, because otherwise you can just cheat the thing again. The purposes of everything. Okay, so one room solved. Gucci. Gucci. And then there's the second level. You're on the second level, huh? What's the second level going to be about? Take a drink. Yeah. Dum dum doo dum doo 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 dum doo dum da 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 dum doo dum. Okay. Okay. We have to get up to the top again. From the bottom part. Main thing. We have to do it without a glide being an issue. Too far. Okay, so we used the movable blocks for that bottom. We used the disappearing platforms in the teleport. What is this? Two rooms to. What do we do with 2 rooms? What things have we got? I don't think there's any reason to do it with the air current. Air current is an outdoor thing. Do it with the air currents on a horizontal, like in an other game. It's Oh, what did you do? What did you do? Why are you doing? Why do things? Cancel. Oh, you. I thought I was saying no, that I don't want to, like, erase it. Feed cam. Feed cam. Any feedies? Dancing. Okay. You are there. We're not in cube mode. Rotate that. But why am I over there? Why did it put me over there? Guess what? Why is it only... Okay, why is it... There we go. There we go. I have a way to move myself. Because of the... Oh, what the... I've just realized that the spring bones going on my ears. But they're not working the same way that spring... I need to just use a proper spring... I need to use the... Why physics that Jews on the ears. Yeah, I've only just noticed that. It's not doing it right. It's supposed to be like just, you know, the way that the jester hat's working, in a sense. But for some reason it's decided to move the entire thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that's not quite how I guess the spring control is supposed to work. It's using the Unreal Engine spring controller, but I guess I can look into the Kawaii physics. I think Kawaii physics. I think that Fruitsy uses instead.
Don't touch me, foolish mortal.
I need to touch you, Murray. Accusatory. Alien will activate that. Cube. I'm in the alien. Alien, do the thing. Now it's going. Problem is I didn't actually yeah, extend the thing. It's just we need to go. I don't do actually for that initial thing. Out by 2,000. No, way more. Okay, 5. $5,000. And this needs to be 2,500. No, 5,000. Does. Too easy to solve. Might not go that far. Just go play it here. And go about the distance of where it's going to anyway. That's again comes back to a glide breaks a lot of the problems. Why is it not doing anything? Why am I not overlapping? Oh, because I forgot to actually press play on the thing. No! Fans, there we go. Press play. Gotta actually use the alien. Wow. Honk. Oh, it only actually. Okay, so the way that the way that the launch works doesn't actually the launch. I can't do this without redesigning it. It's only telling you go upwards, not to will it go across. Change the direction. I just don't think it's working anyway. Could do just it'd be too glide makes puzzles annoying. I can just get to like most of the way across the thing here. So we're not using air currents. There's still more of an outdoorsy thing. Zapper is just a specific thing to the world platforms. Breakable box isn't a puzzle, it's just a breakable box. We're thinking we're using our brain for this one. Let's straight up block it off so that you can't cheat. Somehow. Figure out how the cheating in a sec. One thing I did wanted to consider was how to use these as like just regular bounce things, but I can't really do that. You can just go to the N one. What we could do is all the issues count. Why is there a magical? Again, it comes down to glide can just kill puzzles. Glide kills puzzles. Who invented the glide? We have a nice fun little thing to do, but with the ability to glide, it just kind of breaks it. Maybe I need to just say there's an anti-glide mechanic, like the hands become useless in a certain area. Like in this area, the glide gets disabled. Then I can actually use things without the glide. Anti-glide zone. You know what? We're doing it. I want to be able to not glide and actually make up more of these sorts of puzzles. Let's do it. Anti-glide BP. And while you're in this vicinity, you cannot glide. So box, collision. Do I have a I have a main UI, yeah. Where's the main UI? It's in the main UI. I don't know why I've got it in its own folder. I'm just gonna put this. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. March. Text. Wide. Disabled. Hint. Oh, why is it not attached to that? I guess it's not allowed to attach to it like that. Overlay? Oh, no, I need to wrap with overlay. That one in, oh, get in there. As to content, sure. Stretch that out. 5, put it in the middle. There, and it's going to be glide disabled UI. It's a variable that we want to state is not usable under conditions of being in the anti-glide zone thing. Anti-glide area. Glide. Where's your glide? Who put the glide somewhere? Where'd you hide the glide? It is your hat. It is. Can you see what's wrong with my head right now? There's a certain spring bone that doesn't actually work right. Oh, two spring bones specifically that aren't working right. Yeah, hope you're having a good day, guest. Welcome on in. We're doing yeah, more game. That's what we're doing. Consider it's actually pretty well, it's chill right now. Chill. So VR streams are possible. It's just I need to rebuild that resistance to VR before I consider doing that. So I guess I could build it by doing it, but I don't want to like get like an hour into a thing and be like, bleh, bleh, bleh. Where did I put? This is why you comment things, so you know where things are and the difference between them. Icy surface. The tick stuff. Wait, this should take me to some of it. Begin play. Why is it all the way up there if it's not nearby its own thing? Is it? The Deadsun smash. What are you? Summon alien. There you go, down there. Why are you all the way up there? Get in your home. Your home's down here. Oh. What are you? You're debug in for something. For something. The alien, so let's just do that. I'm an alien. Torchlight. Torchlight. For the these basics area. The glide. Nice. I went through trying to get rid of a lot of the print strings that are popping up in the top left there, but I guess I forgot to do the ones that are in the fireworks / maybe even the friends, the slime friends blueprint. It's in shipping mode, so it should have disabled them anyway, but never catch everything. Yes. Right, we're looking over here because we want to want it there. Well, it just resets everything to normal anyway, so we don't need to care about if it gets pressed. It's only going to activate when it's gliding anyway. Cool. Right. Cool. Okay. Anti-glide area. So when we overlap with this one, is overlapping actor. I'm gonna cast a Deadsun. Get player character. Make it a reference. As that. Maybe bother making it a preference. Wap. Good. And when we're doing that, anti-glide area. And whenever we... It's only going to be when we're there. When we're in it, it's going to trigger it. We don't want to be constantly triggering... we don't want to constantly trigger this being false. Because that means every single instance of an anti-glide zone. Bang, bang, bang. Trying to shoot me. Or my devil trigger. That devil may cry. So we do it on the we clear it on the end overlap, because that'll be when you're definitely not in it. DeadsunPrime. And we need to clear it. Okay, so platforms, anti-glide area. They will we'll make it actually like have a thing to show that, you know, like a lamp. You know, those kind of lamps that just disable things in the animes and, you know, that sort of thing. It's gonna be like, yo, this is an instead of like anti-magic, it's gonna be anti-glide. Why is one here? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Why is there a specific thing to stop gliding in an area? How does it work? Who knows? Who knows? But it gives us a puzzle, the ability to do a puzzle back. Wait, we don't need to go actually all the way to the back here. By the way, Path of Exile 2 doing another league in a few days. So maybe I'll be in a gaming mood for that. I like the style of league. Probably do that as a thing. Do a league start. Path of Exile 2. I know I didn't really play a lot more. I did like the story, and there's still no more story to come in this thing. They've just added more characters, more senses in a character. Just character or two characters? Curious. They added more stuff to the game, for sure, and it should be fun to start a league again. Is that in the right thing? More like best buddy. Ha! Wow, you fooled my April. So launch. Didn't quite want to bonk. Really go get you. Try rotating it 100 so it like pushes you forward at least. And bam. And so many urges where I've wanted to start playing some old school RuneScape. Oh, I've been playing like the private server, but like as nostalgic as it is to play the 04, there's been so many advancements in the game that it's just like a lot of fun. And there's been a few changes that I want to. Yeah, they changed a bit of the agility. Sorry, the run energy in the game. So apparently going to be a little bit easy. Try that. A little bit easier to get around. Ooh. Just gonna thin that out just a little bit. I'm just gonna think. I'm just adding these little bits here and there, just as when it comes to actually exporting this and modeling it, that I know what where I would want like aesthetic chunks of things missing from the thing. I didn't actually check to see if that disabled the thing, did I? I disabled. It's disabled. Cool, cool. So we have it disabled, we do the thing. And we can disable it. Okay, but the UI thing isn't actually working because I haven't done the UI part of it yet. Functionally, going on my neck. Twisted it. Weird. Trained it some weird way. That'd be like me. Okay, so we can just do a bind to visibility, right? Okay, bind. Bam, branch, bam. Goes in there if it's enabled. Pref. We want to get anti-glide. Anti-glide in there. Oh, no, I did that around the wrong way. Cool. That should work now. Off there. And yeah, cool. I didn't want to do it on begin overlap. I could do it on begin overlap and just make it that when you enter here, it just automatically does it, but there can be sometimes issues with doing begin overlap. I prefer to do it like that, I guess. Running too many things on tick though. Oh. Maybe any of those over here. Okay, we've got one more down. Got the bonk bonk bonk. I like that. That's what I'm saying, like every level could have been like this if I'd given the abilities straight off the bat. It was only because I changed it so that, well, I made it so that you have to unlock abilities with the bolts. Yeah, something is going weird on my neck when I talk. I don't even know how to describe it. It's really hard to do. I gotta talk to be able to do these things. Yeah? Explain what I'm doing. If I didn't use the bolts to unlock abilities, you could have had every ability, and every world could have been more diverse. The only way that I can really make it diverse now is to go back over them and add things that you can get, like Goldie bolts afterwards. After you've beaten them and gotten the abilities. Yeah, it feels like I've like swallowed something and it's like lodged in the throat, but on like the outside of the throat. So now we've got one more area to do. Burnt two good ideas already. I'm liking the anti-magic thing is cool. What can we do with anti-magic? Or anti-glide. We want another anti-glide. Just happens to you know, die off at this point. Amazing. How conveniently inconvenient that it dies off right at the point where it allows us to go up. I could just build a thing up. Staircase. Staircase. Like a staircase? Making staircase is annoying. But I guess we can do it. Okay. Bam. Go up. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. there. It's not enough distance, though, is it? That's the problem with making a staircase. You can't get enough distance. Up there. Down. One in the right thing. Why did I decide to make a staircase? Why did I decide to make it? Not complicate it. Yeah, it's about 100% accurate. The world building. Add the convenient thing for now. I think it's off thing now because I've got off center. 100. 700. Back on a 100 by 100. Oh, is that enough power to go up? It is not. Wow! Oh dear, something on my neck, and it's like every time I specifically talk it some way, whinging a little. I don't know why. What do we do on this part here? What kind of puzzle do we use? What kind of puzzle do we use? Albert. Same to here. More. UG. Out. Anti-glide area. I don't think I can solve this one without glide. I think this one requires glide. I think I designed this around glide being in here. If I put it higher to the ceiling. This one's the puzzle one, so we don't do that one on stream. But we do this one on stream. What do we do? We've got a blank canvas and an anti-glide area. We just create bridges that come down. You have to get the right. It'd just be recycling the other puzzle. I've confined myself. I gave myself so much space with every other part of this puzzle, but I've confined myself to these little tiny rooms. Get to the top of this tower. What other things are we missing that we haven't used? Again, smashables aren't a solution. Just an extra thing you can do. I don't know how you do a puzzle around something, a box you have to break. Unless it's in some weird, like, cup guessing game. I did the cup guessing game, and yeah, I had to, like, break the box in sequence an amount of times, and it revealed platforms to get across. Is that a thing? Do I want to make a cup switch swapping game? What do? thinking about the actual creation of that. Well, the idea would be that it would just be like an NPC or whatever here in the middle doing a cup swapping game, and you have to get it a certain amount of times in a row to get across. Up, swapping game. And you have to bash the right one to do it. To get a platform shown. How do cup swapping game? You have to think about where the cup is, where each cup is. I kind of want to do it the more I think about it, but I gotta think about the way to do this. You put them off from each other. So if we did it like this, cup, DP. I can spell. Let's go phone. What's this to a cup that I have as a placeholder? Okay. Just put a cylinder on there as well for the smashable part of it. No, we don't need that. We need a collision. That will be fine. Boom. Bam. Down. Okay. Custom. Vision enabled. And you want to have a response to
hide your keys beneath the cushions of your upholstered
everything,
furniture.
basically.
And never more will you be able to find socks that match.
It doesn't. I have to think about how it rotates around. The pathing it's got to choose. To follow along a spline, maybe? There are 3 different locations. Okay, I would like to go with a spline, but I think for the start off, let's just go with up positions, or it could just be manager. We'll just go cut positions for now. Go arrow. Duplicate. Duplicate. These are 3 locations that they have to go between. I just put them in there like that. That way it'll be a little bit like go do. Okay. When we get all actors of class, we're going to get all the actors of the class of cup. For each, take array or add an array and Compile that. Going to go up array. I'll do that when it first into being. It knows all the cups. Custom move cup. It needs to get 2 of these. It needs to get 2 of them, but it can't get unique. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna use a shuffle. It's actually a decent way to do it. I'm gonna have 3. It's gonna shuffle them around, and then we can just get the first 2 results, and then you've got 2 things to call an event. Call the event on. Okay. We've got to keep track of where each of these are. Well, oh god, it's a simple thing. We're trying to do a. We're trying to do too many things open at the moment. Close some of these. UV timeline, or is this just thing? Okay. Set actor location. Actor location. Let's promote it to variable. New location. We are telling it. We'll tell its new location. Yeah, we'll be telling its new location. The more I think about this, I forgot what it gets. Why can't it just be simple? Simple slime. Gotta be extra. So, telling the new location is the location of one of these 3 here. Go like this. What we can do is get location. The new location needs to be I'm trying to think about like this, but I'm thinking that might keep them on the same thing, or like it'll because it's in a sequence, it's gonna like reset that one before it does that one. Okay. I have to do a old location and then pass that on. Okay, what do we do? We do an old location. Old location. We try to tell them to go to the old location. That's where they need to go to. I haven't compiled here. That's the importance of compiling and saving. Okay. Go to the old location. Once you go to the old location, how do we tell it to go? How do we set the old location? Custom set being the old location. When do we do it though? We do it before. So we setting old location. That twice because I have to do it on both. Set the old location of those two. And pass it on as the new one. Okay. Oh. This is where it gets all weeby all over the place. You need to get new location on both. And for its one, it sets the old location. Once it sets the old location, it's telling to reverse each of the two ones to the new location. They need to go to the new location. I think. So let me on the grid right now. Be on the grid. Telling you to go there. Go there. There. That's where their locations are right now. Okay. We need a way to call this, so we're gonna call debug d get all act as a class. We want to get the up get all. No, wrong thing. We need the cup swapping. Swap. What is it? Cup positions. Oh, cup positions. BD. Get all. This is I explained a little bit when I was doing the teaching game dev thing, but you know the words to you don't type. Well, you can type in move ups, and like if you type in move, it'll be there as well. But you don't have to think about the function you're calling. If you just type in call, it's gonna have the call function there anyway. So you say it's like a really like long word that could be like conflicting with other functions. You just type in call, you've got call function there. It's a lot faster to do it that way. Even with this, you just got get. It's always gonna be on there, like the first thing. Yeah, get. Type in get all actors of class. It highlights the one there. There's all the different ones you get from that, but like the one that I'm always using is this one. It's like once you get like more used to it, you kind of understand what's gonna show up when you're typing what thing. We're not actually getting these at the moment, are we? We'll do that in a sec. Okay, so yeah, so that's gonna move the cups. Hopefully. Right, if I'm understanding my own math. It'll just, well, at the moment there's no indication of one being different from the other. Own. Let's add text. Render. What angle is that? All there. Okay. Up. We set that to a instance editable. text. Setting text. Set text. To a variable. Variable is going to be instantly editable. We have 3 of these. All 1. You know that these are actually moving because they're all the same. They're all going at the same speed. You set the other position of the other one, it would work. And I did it wrong. Back here, please. I'll play from here. Okay. Disappeared. Why they disappeared? They haven't had their original. They haven't had their original location set. In play. Hitting both, I guess. Hit the old and the new. We need to set. Is that one. Alt and drag. Get actor location. Add a branch. Moved. This just means that it won't try to move them to like 000 before that is checked and that location has been set already. Hopefully. We got 1, 2, and 3, and we press C. There we go. We got things moving around. So they do move around. They're replacing each other. Now we just need to make it so it interps to it, which we have technically already set up with the old and the new locations. The cups do need to be identical when you're doing the actual thing, otherwise it defeats the purpose. Like if they know it's the pink cup or the red cup, they're gonna always go for the pink cup. We're doing a vinterp too, so vinterp to get actor location, new location, plug that into there. Delta is seconds there. 5 is good enough. And that actually should just that should just be it. I did it again! Gotta play from here, otherwise I'm gonna run this entire thing every time. C. 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 Okay, so even if they get spammed, they will always try to go to the location. They're not getting stuck halfway through the thing. So we can go a little bit faster. With the thing. See, now if I do that like this, go to Deadsun. We will do this. We go the for loop. We just type in 10. Will that just loop 10 times, or am I forgetting how these work? Forgetting how these work. It's completed. Reroute into itself. Gucci. So this should just repeat it like X amount of times. We would probably want a delay in there. This delay will determine how fast gonna be. So speed of switching. Boom. So when we press Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Press play. Oh. You good there, bud? Not anymore. Not quite what we want. Maybe do in is what we need. Do in. Not quite understanding how to use a for loop, I guess. I know what things roughly do. Okay. Then we reroute through the delay. Oh, not into the reset, into the thing. And when it gets to us, it block it off. Equal to or greater than times swapped. I think there has to be a little bit extra delay there because it is not waiting for the full thing, but maybe the speed of which they move is probably the thing I need to dictate as well. Speed of movement. How quickly they'll move between each other. Get rid of the reroutes. It's still not centered around the 3 cut positions that I've got. This is actually just acting as the master right now, not the positions. Times swapped equals just like 10. Once it equals 10, it will just stop doing things, and it will then reset. Firing along. A little bit like a hacksaw, this one. Like a weird short stubby handle. A giant hacksaw. I'll say that should go through now, and I actually remembered. I remembered to go here, but apparently I wasn't in the right location. Play here. Can y'all keep track? I can't keep track. I'm trying to keep track because I'm actually like looking at the number. I think it's fair enough. Move it back to that. But that's what we made a cup swapping game so far. But we haven't actually made the you know, part where it shows what one is the current cup. Do we reset it every time we Is it every time you succeed it, like we'll add a new thing, add a new platform to get across above. Damn. As we solve the thing, More and more gets unlocked. Bam. Part of the castle. Cool. There's an anti magic zone. No magic. Not magic. Anti gliding zone. Anti gliding zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 5. Ah! Wrong direction. All the way back here. On a mode. Land. Woo! Right. Okay. Up platform BP. That's BP, not BP. Need BP. This is not the vice president, is it? The blueprint. Urb. Ube. Two. Favorite. Damn. G. Up platform spawner BP. You want to spawn these on a if we're doing it like you lose and gain based off of how far how good the what's it called, good amount of times you get in a row. Need to be able to go back and forth. Girl. Good enough distance. We'll go across right here. This way. You just don't want to be able to just double jump over to that one. I can't tell. Hidden game, no. Stay here. Of course. And I can't have a staircase. That would make too much sense. Yeah. Stay from here. Okay, guess we're getting rid of the staircase. Or can you just get there anyway? Is that the... You can just get the second one anyway. We need to make this down a bit more. That's it, a little bit more. Shorter. Yeah. Shouldn't be able to get to that spot now without getting the last thing unlocked. You probably hit it, but not actually land on it. platform spawner. Make sure they are in fact in the right order, otherwise you're gonna have a bad time. Oh right, that needs to be out. Make array. Got a ad coming up in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Time flies when you're having fun, don't it? Get world. Get. Successes. Do this because if it's if it's on 0, we're gonna go to +1 if it's a yes. I don't think I need to have anything there in the middle one. Lamp between and 4. I think that should be fine. Fail safe. Get world location. There is a difference between get actor location and world location. It gets the actors, so the entire like 0 point of whatever the actor is, so I'd be getting like over here. Versus if you want to get this specific world location of a component, that's what you do. You get world location. One actor from class. I could technically make it just I could do it all in one thing. Just hide them. That might be better than spawning in platforms. I think we need to spawn them in. Change it up just a little bit. I'll cube it here instead. Anyway, it's all just one thing. You don't have to worry about being spawned in weird locations. 2.2. The hex ad that I promised. Want to have default no collision, and then game is active by default. Bam. Right. Bam. Bam. These video platforms. Cool. It's we don't need to spawn, we need to we don't need arrows anymore, we just need the cubes. Okay. Just custom. Adjust platforms. So when we're adjusting a platforms, we're trying to tell it to do a specific thing, which hit collision. We have to oh, wrong thing. Hit collision enabled. You know, like a global one. On my one. Collision enabled. Not that one. Collision enabled. Bam. There's a billion ways you can make a game. Just a matter of which one you choose on int. So if it's the success, clamp. Yeah, let's actually just clamp. Make sure we clamp it. Not, enough. We want to. What will. Macro. Disable collisions.
Don't touch me, foolish mortal.
Just go through this thing to disable them all. And based on the successes, you're on one success, it'll enable that one. Enable. I have to do the thing as well. Not the right. That's not the right thing, is it? Isn't that? Yeah. Almost just messed up entirely. The thing I didn't want to do. I grabbed the wrong things from the start. Destined to fail. Okay. Each time as a success, it'll enable a new one. That should do it. It'll go back through the ones that it's already that it needs to enable based on the position of the successes. From 0 to 1, and once it gets to 0, everything should be just disabled because it's on 0 now. If it's a 0, it does nothing. Nothing gets enabled. Everything gets disabled always, so it won't spawn a thing. But as it goes on, it'll enable them and win. Okay. Gucci. Winner. Want to tell which one's the current winner. We do want to get a reference to all of them. Already have is this reference here. Okay. Get just make it a separate one so it's not so spaghetti. Why we want to just space things out so we know where everything is. We want to get a reference to each of these. Shuffle there. Yeah, we'll shuffle up here. Do our shuffle here. Now we've got our three references. We want to... We don't need all three references. We only just need one. We just need a range. Range. It's 0 to 2. Remember that 0 is a number. Is the first reference in the array. So it's 0 to 2 reference. And we want to tell it to be the winner. And what indication can we do just real quick for a... Get world location. Get actor location. Get actor. Get actor location. Spawn the emitter at location. Spawn an explosion at the location of the get this thing down. At the location of wherever the thing is. Explosion. Just basic starting thing. I'll put a delay of at least 1 second to say that that's where that one is. That one's got the thing. And for all that, nonsense, we just need to tell each of these that they're not the winner anymore. Just set all of for each. No matter when you do it. Loop the body. Tell them, each of them, that they're not a thing. And then tell one of them that they are a thing. Then go on, shuffle their things. Don't it just get messy? Don't it get messy? Yeah, it's just telling the things that they're not the winners, and then choosing a winner. And if you get if it is the winner, then yeah. I'm gonna have to like hold Deadsun down before they're allowed to like move and bonk things. Otherwise, they could just bonk the mid thing, and it would completely break the purpose of the thing. I need to disable bonk and movement speed while the cup is moving, but we'll not care about that right now. So imperative, because I know not to do it. Right. Okay. So we got our winner chicken dinner, and okay. So we got our winner chicken dinner. Whenever the right cup is smacked, we want to add a interface here. Bonkable. Smashable object. Interfaces, implement event. When it's hit, we're going to have a response of am I the winner? Am I the winner? If I am the winner, I will get all, act as a class, up, positions. I'll change the name. Doesn't remember yet. I won't remember to change it. No, we don't need to get the cup positions. We need to get the corner. Get calling that adjust platforms. But we've got to tell them where we got a success. Successes is based off of where are we tracking successes? In the cup. This one isn't tracking successes, so it doesn't matter. So successes, get successes, get successes. Plus 1. We're just adding 1. If we succeed, we add 1. Copy everything here, paste it down below. Did it for the false. It's if we're getting a response of no, we're not the winner, we've now got a minus and remove it. Problem is, no, we got C. We got C to start the event. Okay, that should work. Good. Final round. Oh. Play here. No platforms in place. Got 1, 2, 3 there. The 3 is the That's wrong. That's wrong. we're resetting it constantly. This needs to this needs to happen before that. Okay, so move that there, put that there. That'll go into there. Shuffles them all around, chooses a winner. Does the explosion to say which one's the winner currently, just as a identifier of which one's the winner. We are not at the thing, so it goes there. And when we do get to it, we shouldn't think so. It should just. Okay. That goes there. There. That's going off. That's the delay of the switching. When it's not, it goes into the thing, but that is too fast, so we do need a delay. We do need a delay. It just needs to be not 1 second. 1 second's too kind at the moment. Where did I put speed of switching before? Over there. Okay. I guess that is the delay. My bad. Cool. Gucci, that should fix that. So we hit C, it's 3 again. Random number generator. Thank you, RNG. Didn't do a thing. 1. Am I just... What have I done wrong? It's not choosing the right... It's just switching the two things that... Oh, because it's not shuffle... Oh, right. Because the shuffle's here. Shuffle does not need to be there. Shuffle needs to be here. Order. Anything else that needs to be over there? Nope. Good. You're good? Okay, cool. We keep swapping the same things. I understand that the first part isn't working. The fact that it's not enabling the things, so feel that in a sec, but just make sure this 2, yeah, okay. Go smack the thing, and it'll be a thing appear, but it's not doing the appear thing yet. Because why? Oh, because we're not showing them. We haven't shown them. We're not unhiding them. We're gonna hidden. Bam. Bam. Ugly, but wait. We gotta hide them all first. They're all hidden. Grab this. Make those real quick. Bam, 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 bam. Cool, you go there. There. Boyam. 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 Okay, then it goes through things. It's hidden, it needs to be up there. Should be right? Yeah, because everything goes through here and disables it all. And it disables the collision and hides them. And then as it's, yeah, this should work. This should work. Should work now. I wasn't making them appear. They probably could have actually been there. I just wasn't visibly seeing them, so... Ooh. Bonk. Oh, still not working. Why aren't you? Did they not do the right thing? They're not telling it's the winner. Up platform spawner. Getting a hit result. It is getting the hit result, it's just not getting to here. Should be working now, but I don't understand why it's not. I don't think it's hidden through this. It's one. It's print string. Print string here, so make sure this is actually getting even remotely called. It's number 2. -1. Why is it going to the neg? Why is it mess up the cup thing? Supposed to be the winner. Oh no, because I shuffled. I shuffle. Okay. Actually, my own puzzle's beating me. I'm shuffling each time. Oh, this should be working.
I am Murray, the all-powerful demonic skull.
I'll be changing the speed in which the things move as you go along as well, but I'm trying to figure the... Why is it not... Everything gets told it's not a winner. When a winner chicken did. Then it goes for a random... I need to shuffle it after. Maybe I'll shuffle them after. Do the shuffle after. I should shuffle them about. Why it would matter. There, but why is it the negative? Why is it negative? Why is it -1? I didn't clamp it as well. Importance of clamping. Clamp. If it's a winner, then it should have turned through. Maybe I'll just. Maybe what I can do is just for testing's sake. Branch. Winner. Hit material. Completely cheating my own game just to like test it. Hex tile. Oh yeah, the hex tile on that one, and the lit up one on this one. This one should always tell you when the. It should tell you always when the winner is the winner. Yeah. There you go, it wasn't actually doing the right one there. That should be a winner. Okay. So that... Okay, it's moving them... Okay, it does the spawn and then it's like instantly moving them to a different location. Like hitting... I haven't set the old locations. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, because I had... Maybe I need to set all locations against old... Okay. Reset locations. For each of them, reset locations. No matter how you do it. I'm gonna do it once. I'm gonna reset where they currently are, I think. That's what that problem is. It's like teleporting them immediately to their old location. Yep, done it wrong again. I don't know why. Why is it doing that? Why is it like immediately moving them to a... It's like immediately moving them to the spot rather than doing a thing to... I guess at this moment... Oh no, it does matter because they can't just teleport straight to the... Why is it teleporting? Because... brain power. Maximum brain power needed. Setting old locations. Because we're setting the old location, it's telling it to go to the... Only if it needs to go to the new location. And we're setting... Setting the old locations. Because this hasn't been... We have reset it though. We just reset it. When are we ever telling it it's moved? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Trying to deduce why it's immediately on the first one only moving directly to, like, instantly teleporting to the location. It should always be a vtinterp to. It should always be a vtinterp to if it's going to go to the new location. Yet it's setting their position straight away. Oh, why did I make myself? Why did I pay myself with this? It's picking the... It's exploding... Alright, okay, I understand why it's doing that. Okay, I did it again. I know what, I know why. I know why it's doing that now. It's not actually a... Okay, because I'm doing this here. We want to... connect that. Variable. Next, winner. winner is going to be this variable here, rather than, because if you do it like that, it was choosing a next winner, and also choosing a choosing a random next winner and choosing a random location, because when you put this directly into there, it's firing this off twice for each instance that it's going into. Whereas if you put if you make a variable of it, it's going to get that one there. Okay, that should solve part of the problem, I think. Ooh. Okay. I think we solved it. I think I was just getting rid of by my own visuals. Go again. Working, it's working. On now. Okay. And just last one. Again. Okay. We have our puzzle slash RNG. Well, not RNG. There's some skill to it. Well, what's it call it? Can't fly in this one. You can only double jump. I don't know if you can double jump from the. See if we can double jump from the. Might have to space these out maybe. Way. Oh, but you can't get to the end. Yeah, okay, you need the last one to get to the end overall, the main one. Doesn't matter if you double jump from either of these, I guess. It's just saying you need four wins to get it. Could do them like zigzaggy. Still wouldn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Just need 4 wins in a row. Yeah, let's just test that. Like, if it fails, it should boom. Oh, it's which one is it? I don't know which one it is. Which one is it? Is it that one? Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Now I'm back 1. Oh, dang it. I should go dog. I just keep hitting him. Yeah. Bonk. Bonk. Absolutely no things left. Cool. Gucci. We got our thing. It works. We created the cup swapping game. So simple. Off. We also need to tell the cup that it's. I'm gonna tell the cup it's no longer the winner when it's smashed. Even though we told it in the other one, we just want to double check, double confirm it, confirm the kill. That way, it obviously won't glow and be the obvious winner when you're we'll call it doing the puzzle. But we've kind of got a system here where we could just add more cups as we need as well. So like we could add the cups, add more speed. We've made the made it expandable for sure. Okay. Do that, get up here, and we're on the last things of the puzzle of the thing. Wow! Isn't that cool? We made the cup swapping game as a tiny little mini game to this thing. I don't know where I want to put these. I think I want to put them back over there. You can visibly see that things are being added. They haven't looked all the way around you. Bam. Pops the things. You can like visually see that. Oh, that thing appeared. What do? 1,500 enough, right? 1,500 pile. Too far. 1,200 pile. Move it over like that. Should be enough to acquire a double jump. Oh right, we forgot to actually play the game. Stop moving so I can hit you. Bonk. Oh no, we actually have to play it multiple times to hit. Yep, mid thing. Can you get it mid thing? We'll add a little blockage there so you can. I mean, you're gonna need each of the platforms, like the first platform the most anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But a little bit more dynamic if we just make it, you know, require the double jumps as well, rather than just a single jump. We need to the platform. Up we go. Make a double jump. We can't double jump anyway. Awkward. We'll add walls in the way. We'll add obstacles to make it require the zigzaggy. I really need to. What? Because the camera has a really big probe for its thing. Like, really annoying. Where's the camera boom? Probe size. I'm gonna just reduce that down by like a, yeah. Maybe that one. Nope. Oh. Oh. Ah! Stop. I have it just right click when I go in, just so I can make sure I've got control of the mouse. Blah 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 blah. Bonk. Bam. Might help if I actually press the button. Bonk. Bonk. Is it all of them? All of them. I guess I could just leave it. You could actually play multiple ones. Because it's not. Yeah. Still doing it. It's still. It's still clipping the camera through the thing. Like there's no. Is it doing that? The camera probe size really is that big? I don't get why it's doing that. Very jarring.
I will hide your keys beneath the cushions of your upholstered furniture. And never more will you be able to find socks that match.
Hi, Gooby. So large. We're just adding obstacles here just to. Not really obstacles, just visuals. Not visual. I don't know. We're adding a thing here. Reasons? Because. There'd be like broken down walls or something, and then you gotta actually go all the way, otherwise. Oh. One more, please. No, there we go. We still make that? No. Nah, you just. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't actually. You still need to get 4 wins no matter what. This is just. Adding world visuals, I guess. Because you just imagine, like. They're just broken down, you know. But it's gonna be annoying to actually model. Might actually be really annoying to model all these in their positions they are. I'd have to like import this to a scene and then like zero this out and then like import that to a new scene and then zero that one out instead. I don't need that, I know. It should be functionally fine. We're all good there. Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, the thing with enlarging a gooby like that is he's got his own camera. There's just a giant camera up in the sky there. But if I try to switch view target to with blend over to it, it would just like zoom you all the way over there and it'd just be like a big. Okay, we're at the top. Thinking about what we need to do. Think about adding a puzzle over to this side as well, for this building's side, where instead of just going to the top of it, you go to the thing and then you your thing. A bridge gives you enough thing to go all over here. Rotating platforms. This is the last level. Has to be a doozy. But I don't know where you want to cut it off. You know, I've given it like up to here, basically all the way up to here. There's pretty much no real points. There's points of failure, but once you get into here, it's just entirely a logical thing. So you don't have to worry about falling off unless you somehow manage to fall off like from here. Like if you manage to fall off from here, I guess there is no redemption. You fell off ratio. But like if you fall off from here, all that happens is you go down here and have to redo just get back up there, which is simple. But once you get up to there, you do the thing, you do the puzzle, boink, 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 boink. Up you go. You go here. Okay. Cut puzzle. I'll make that more complicated and actually a thing, and you know put an NPC there as well. To find out what the NPC wants to do. Okay, so you're done. You've done this little jumping one as well. Can it be done with no glide? Can it be done with no glide? Probably. I won't be able to know because the stupid camera keeps probing through everything. That. I probably could actually do it with the anti-glide in here. Well, probably could do it with anti-glide, but yeah, we'll just do it with anti. Where's the anti-glide? Anti-glide. Don't really need an anti-glide. Isn't needed in the last section. Not gonna be gliding around anyway. Matter. I guess we should say the entire tower just has anti-glide actually. Sure. Even though you won't, gliding isn't a thing that's gonna break this puzzle. I say you can't glide in here anyway. Might as well just say that once you're in the castle, no glide. No glide for you. Did I just able to glide here? That would have saved a little bit of my issue anyway. Being able to glide. You can't glide here. So we can return to our initial design. Cube tool. We just want to get rid of this. We want them to think there's hope in just call it, using the one cube, but also not being able to just do it gliding over. I'm gonna disable glide once you're in this well, oh, I'm so glad I decided to disable glide, the one thing that's been yeah, I gave access to the glide ability, the glide levels, at like it was like a level ago. Now I'm taking it away already. Banned from gliding. Should cover the entire. Right. It'll just be a thing to say that once you're in here, it glides. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay. The okay, let's just guess the UI. Make sure that the UI is. Did I disable it by default? I haven't disabled it by default, so it stays enabled. No. If it's anti-glide, is anti-glide just disabled naturally? No, it's just. Oh, yeah, it is gone. It is gone. Okay, cool. I was worried for a second. Done something wrong. Once you get into the thing, yeah, your glide doth be disabled. Ooh, it's the Tower of No Glide. Glide back down. You missed something, maybe. But once you're in the tower, there's a magical force stopping you from progressing with a glide. Okay, we need to go a little bit down further. You're over here. Glide. Yeah, I can't actually tell the outsides. Far up and down it is. Doesn't actually matter if you would matter if you did it. Just make this entire thing covered by this one. This one covers it all. All the way to there. Could cover the entirety of that. Seeing it on the outside, so that means fine. It's just tucked inside the walls. It's not going too high, I hope. Yeah. Just a little bit up to you. There was like a small, tiny bit where you can. Cool. 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 Not extrude. Cancel. Cube. Reset the grid. Cool, 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 cool. Right or right. Right or left. Right or right or right or left. Right or right or right or left. Cool, 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 cool. We made the cup puzzle pretty quickly, I think. The fact that we just made it up on the spot, I think it'd be nice. Okay. We want to add a bit of a lap here. Yeah, long thing. What we're trying to do the edge. The edge. We're trying to create a bowling thing. We need to block the player from going further. I guess we can only just say that Yeah, we need to stop the player from going any further. We need to have a force field that kind of blocks you from progressing. Yeah. Oh no, wrong thing. We need a boulder first for the thing. Bowling. Bowling block player thing. Only the professionalist of names. Want to just make cube. Which will just make a plane. Make it an actual color when it matters. Like we'll make it a transparent thing, and then it shows the we can't go through here. There are blocked off thing. But now we'll just face it in this direction so that you can't actually see it. Oh, cancel. What happened there? Don't try and edit the thing. Be very annoying. I set the grid. Okay. Edit it. Bam. 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 Oh. Ew. Okay. Cool. Don't want to block our inputs. I want to block the player. So that there. Get off the grid. That there. That shouldn't block smashable. Yeah, it's not blocking smashable, so that's the only check we actually care about. Bowling pin CP. Maybe a cylinder. We'll make it a we'll give the capsule. Capsule. Be pretty big pins, I think. And we'll get a static mesh. Won't be actually static, it will move. To that. Get the thing. Cylinder. G goes, that'll be the thing. We'll be simulating physics. The only thing is we have to what we could do okay, just thinking. Okay, thinking. Okay. Bowling set up. We want to add a lot of arrows in our spots. This one we actually are going to spawn in the actors because we want to kill off all the actors that aren't. We want to kill off the actors that are currently in the world and then spawn freshly new ones if the bowling thing has failed. Okay. We need lots of location. And here, bowling setup. 1 second, put it on a. We off center. We're off. How did we get so far off again? Better memorize which the right one it is. Okay. Just revising myself. 10 pin bowling. I just need to revise. It is 5 at the back, right? And then it gets divided up. Was it 4 at the back? 4 at the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, yeah. Just had to double check.
I shall return.
Okay. Been a while since I've gone bowling. Yeah. Doesn't matter what order these are in, as long as they are position. 2, 3, 4, cool. Or actually set up, you do that and then that. Then you do 2. Proper etiquette for setting up a thing. How many spaces apart do they have to be from each other? Even possible to even hit all these. We need them to like knock into each other, like barely. We just go one in that way. So how you? If it's too far apart. And back one. Make 3 apart. Okay, get our locations. We're not on the right starting point. We need to be here. I should have enough space to spawn in each of these. We need to actually have it raised up a little bit because otherwise it's gonna spawn them in the ground and like send them flying. Bowling pins set up as exacta. Boom. Spawn pins. Need to get reference to each of this. Make array. Doesn't matter. Matter doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Matter doesn't matter what order they're in. Got them. Bam. Spawn. For each. Got the location. We need the location. That road location. Done. Corner. Nice. Put the struct. Doesn't matter what rotation they are on or scale they're on. Scale that they're on. And we have them spawned. Spawns pins. We want to get all active first. Get all actors from class. We want to destroy the other pin. Actually, we'll destroy the pins when as a separate thing. Custom 3 pins. Might help if we actually select pins first. Bowling pins, bowling pin. For each, we destroy them. Not the nope, destroy actor. Cool. That destroys them all. Right, we didn't actually tell it to spawn a pin. So our thing should spawn a thing, so we will our thing that's testing. We'll just make a step 1. B for bowling. Debug. Bowling. Set up. Best get. Bowling. Destroy first. If there's any, it'll destroy them, and then it will spawn. Oh, this is why you do calls. Spawn pins. If there's any, it will spawn them, destroy them, and then spawn them. Okay. Right here, B. We've got some things that we can knock over. Wow, that's funky. How the texture is based off of the world location, so it's like scaling the texture. Oh, weird. See how like it like spins it a weird way because it's like wrapping the texture to it based off of the location it is in the world. That's a weird effect. Ah, I can't get through. Oh no! Just jump around. But add I'll add a I won't just add an invisible wall there. I'll be kind and add an actual wall to say you can't go this way. Otherwise, they might try to do it and realize, oh, there's an invisible wall, and they get just dropped all the way to the bottom. Be able to still see past that way, the main part. B, we got some things at the back there. I'll have to add another camera that shows you what's going on back there, not that you can't see. Let's change the to green. Law green. Cool. Chrome pillars, cool. I've done the wrong thing. Set no collision to that one. And this one's a simulate. Physics actor. We'll have to get that ball. Where's our ball from golfing? Baller. Duplicate. Bowling. Baller. EP. Bowling. We want to still respawn it. You still want it to respawn it, but we want to. Why are we using a different ball? Right, I don't actually need a different ball, do I? Sleep. We just need ball. Because we've already got the code set up for a reset of the ball that we already have. Ads. Respawn. There. Let's just say the thing that it has to do is here. Oh no, we need to actually, yeah. What we're trying to do is okay, okay. Does this one look like? Does it do a thing? Kind of like it do a thing. Okay. Bowling. Kick or strike. BP. No, we don't. Bowling. Pressure. Wait. We need to know BP. We're checking for a strike with this thing, but why is it bad? Well, can't do it. If it matters. Not doing this. Don't need this, don't need that. We just need to check for doing a thing. This is just the actual pressure pad part of it. What we want. Custom. Kick for strike. Kick for strike. Cool. And we check for strike. We're trying to look from the down where the positions are. We need more arrows. We need a different set of arrows. We could just duplicate this and then overlap it on the top of it. I'll do that so I don't have to, and keep it a little bit more cleaner. Duplicate. Bowling. Strike. Checker. BP. Each of these we want to change this. Get rid of that. Chicken. Right. We want to rotate each of these just going downwards. Not the right direction. Upwards, downwards. Okay. We'll just save. Put it over by where the other one is. We're just trying to look for the pins locations. Like when we've actually hit the strike, we wanted to just fire this off to like look down and fire a bunch of traces. If it ever gets a hit of it's hitting a pin, we call it a failure, and then we'll just say it just resets the pins. Well, we'll have a reset pin thing. We'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. I leave the I left it over here, didn't I? Go back over here. Okay, so this thing's gonna fire off a bunch of races. Race, channel. Why am I not? Line trace by channel. From not. Most basic of things. So we want to get world location. Want to get forward vector. Plug it into start. Timesing that. That's the wrong symbol. Timesing. Add that. Load into there. We want a different checking for that, so I'm gonna go projects, collisions, new trace. Ignore for most, but it is a bowling pin trace. Oh, I just minimized the window. Cool, bowling check. Gotta compile. Then we can check the polling pin. Get a break of a hit. If any of these are a blocking hit, it is a failure. So then we have to tell bowling setup. It will act as a pass. One, which is the bowling setup. Cool. A bowling setup to do. Oh, not a gate. We want to get. And we want to call. Destroy pins. And of destroy pins, we're just gonna call. Spawn pins. Nope. 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 Delay. Just to avoid any issue. Do a delay and then spawn pins. Let's reset them. So we'll add the bowling strike checker on the other side. No, wrong thing. We need the bowling pressure. I'll label them so that they know which one's the different one, but that should be the way to check the thing. Yeah, if there's ever a blocking hit, for each with break. For each loop with break. For each loop with break is better. Reason being, if you do actually encounter if it does go through all this and finds a thing, you can just tell it to stop trying to get off anymore. And last one is actor. Bowling door EP, the thing that we're trying to break. Cube. Door. Cool. Awesome. We want to close some things like UI. Cube. Hide. Golf balls.
Do you hear
bowling
me?
ball door.
I shall return.
If there are 0 blocking hits, if there's 0 blocking hits, we're gonna get all actors of class. Bowling door. Bowling door. Please. Get. Just reactor. It'll just reactor. Finds it. Oh. Awesome. Completed. Just there we go. Just a little extra check just to make sure we don't have them try to do it and then it like it's an error because it's trying to look for things that can't possibly exist. There is an error. I know there's going to be an error with it throwing pins. It doesn't see any pins. I didn't put it there. Okay. That'll spawn new actors. Again. Yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? We didn't give it a reference. Didn't give a reference of the one. The bowling pressure plate. Right, we haven't actually told it. Okay, and told it to check for strike. Get all. Do we need a reference? The ball, no. I guess we just turn that to it into. Okay. Thinking that we could just combine the two. Have that as the reset. Have them two different things. Maybe you just don't want to do a reset, not a whole thing. Let's find my ball, my platform. Yeah, we won't make them we'll make them separate things. Okay, you don't need a reference. Bowling pressure plate. We don't need this. Not needed. Reference. My kicker. That we don't have to cast it. We can just tell it that's the one that goes there. That's the one. Check that one. Okay, and then now that they've done that, we can tell it to all chicken strike. strike. Bowling door, chicken strike. We were telling it to destroy the bowling door. Only gonna be only thing that's there. Here that destroyed. I have no idea if the actual bowling setup thing will work. I need to like get what the actual possibility of actually getting it hit. Let's just try. I think that's set up. I haven't set it to spawn thing. Spawn and oh, it didn't. Pile. Pile. Play from here. We got a bunch of things. Bam. Did nothing. Why did it do nothing? It is okay. Well, it's just close enough. The ball. Oh, what? Here, what's bowling pin? Okay, it's the bowling pin causing an error. Movable. What? Why is it causing an error? Collision enabled is incompatible. Bowling pin. Not you. I don't want you to do it. I want your parent to do it. Physics active. Good. Why was the ball? Because there's a blocking hit on the ball. Because I'm blocking the way with this thing. Custom ability. Blah. Maybe that will prevent that happening. I have an actual force field here. Why? It's getting a positive. Getting a positive hit. It's getting a hit. What's the issue? Is it going off visibility? Not. I check. Yeah. Smashable. Bowling ball is smashable. I mean, bowling door. I guess if I move this away, then actual issue with this thing being in the way. No, so it's not a thing to do with not. It's something about this ball has apparently changed since golfing away. It changed. Did I change something? Golfing away is broken now. Curious. My thing revolves around the thing. No, it works perfectly fine here. What did I change? 1000. It's got a thing. And all around. The bowlers, please. Why is it not working here? What's the dealio? Why did I get through all of that and the thing that I know worked doesn't want to work? I don't want to use Deadsun. I want to use a bonk to knock these over. I don't know how easy it is going to be to do a strike, but we got something. Something getting hits. What? Bowling pin, it can't find the thing, so... Wait. It can't... Did I not give it a reference? Did I not give it a reference? Oh, because I didn't make it, Oh, what? Bowling board ball door? Oh, because... Alright, because I've checked it multiple times. But... Very obvious that it didn't actually, wasn't a strike. Is that down? Alright, we need checking the thing. We need to knock it over and check. Yeah, once we jump on this, not disappear, it should. As we firing off way too much. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that. I think I'll call it for today, but we have something going on here. I need to maybe just make it a longer trace. See the traces and move them up closer just to see them. I think for now that's our maybe this will be the last part of the puzzle. Is the bowling? That part of the level will be the bowling. Yeah, we call the final level done, I guess. Maybe a thing. I'm trying to make it a castle because he has his own castle environment that he uses as a thing. But yeah, I'm making it doing a castle. Pause the music and mute the browser. Look for someone to raid. Are they playing? I don't know what Faye was doing. What are they up to? We can just do a little raid to Boba. Oh, one of our Borderlands friends. And friends in Europe, but we play Borderlands with them. Usually. When we're not skipping the sessions. I don't even know if we've got one on this weekend. I guess we'll find out. But yeah, we'll be doing the Good Day raid, and I'll close down the YouTube side. Goodbye on the YouTube side. Goodbye. Yeah.